It smells so good. It really does. I'm not even kidding. It does not smell like spinach. It smells like peanut butter. It's really delicious. Here we go. This is Fresh Food Fast by Healthline, where we create accessible, creative recipes and nutrition tips to make being healthy a little bit easier. Guys, it's so good. Hi, I'm Vanessa Rissetto, and today I'm gonna make a green smoothie. So let me tell you, I do not like to put vegetables in my smoothie. I think it's weird. I thought it was just gonna taste like a vegetable drink, and I'm not really into that, but I have been influenced. My husband makes a smoothie every single day, and he says if you add nut butter and a frozen banana, then it's gonna taste delicious. And he is right. So Michael, you are right. You're welcome. I will never say that anywhere else. So first, I'm gonna get my frozen banana. It's chopped and sliced. It just smooths it out. Also, it's like, instead of using ice, so it's cold, it's delicious, I love it. Bananas usually get a bad rap. They have too much sugar, apparently, but they're a great source of potassium. They're actually low in calories, and I like to pair it with peanut butter, for example, which we're gonna do today, so that just makes it more nutrient dense, and it's really good flavor. Okay, so next I'm going to do a non-collagen protein powder. So this one is Marine Life, but you can do bovine, you can do like grass-fed, pea plant, whatever you want. If you're vegetarian or vegan or you're an omnivore, it doesn't matter. So this is just added extra protein because we want to make sure that we're still going to be full. So about 2 scoops is about 25 grams of protein. Next, of course, I'm going to add my spinach, about 1 cup. And we all know spinach has vitamin C, vitamin K, folate. It's just good for the skin, good for the gut. If you don't like spinach, you wanna try something else, maybe try cauliflower, for example. You might wanna just really research what vegetable you're using because sometimes that'll change the entire flavor profile, but you should be fine with something like a cauliflower. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of flax. So the flax is omega-3. I know we all hear about omega-3 fatty acids. It's good for your heart. So we wanna add that in there. Okay, next I'm gonna add peanut butter. Peanut butter in my house is our favorite sauce. So I add 2 tablespoons. Peanut butter is a great source of protein. It's a fair amount of fat and it gives a really great flavor. I'm gonna add about 1 cup of almond milk. So for me, the almond milk is really negligible. It's sweetened, unsweetened, vanilla, not vanilla. There isn't a huge sugar content. Almond milk is pretty much fine. Also, everyone in my house is lactose intolerant but me, so almond milk it is. So now we're going to mix. Okay. It smells so good. It really does, I'm not even kidding. It does not smell like spinach. It smells like peanut butter. I'm gonna pour that. So it's nice and thick. Looks so delicious. And then I just add a little bit of sliced almonds. I keep all my nuts in the fridge. They actually stay longer. I know it might be weird, or maybe it's a tip you never heard before, but it definitely works. Now I'm going to taste. It's really delicious. So good. It's simple, it's quick. It's going to keep you hydrated. It tastes delicious. If you don't want to use almond milk, if you don't want to use oat milk, you can use yogurt, you can use kefir, you can use regular milk. I know regular milk gets a bad rap, but there's nothing wrong with it. Feel free to use it. Just use what you like. You just want to get that in there and you want to have something nutrient dense that'll keep you full. If you like this recipe, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can get more recipes from Healthline's Fresh Food Fast. Hooray! Eat the smoothie! Drink it!